Welcome back. In this lecture, you're gonna learn how to create content around the keyword that we have found in order to start generating traffic to our website. And we're of course going to use ChatGPT for this. Now, assuming you came with me from the previous lecture and you have a keyword saved down in here, we're just gonna go one page back until we get to the lecture called Create SEO Friendly Content. In here, we have two prompts that we will be using. As always, we're going to select the first prompt, just like this, head into ChatGPT, and paste it in. So it says, act as an SEO expert. Generate 10 engaging and informative blog article ideas related to the, and for us, that is, gaming niche. The ideas should provide valuable insight, tips, and trends. Make them all vaguely related to blue light blocking glasses. Optimize for the keyword, and this is where we go grab our keyword. Find it, copy it, remove this section, paste it in, and there we go. And then I'm just gonna hit enter. So once you've gotten your titles along with the different sections, find one that you would like, and then we're just gonna grab it. So here's one that I really like, exploring the science behind blue light glasses and gaming. So all I'm gonna do is that I'm going to copy all of this information just like this, head back to the guidebook, and then hit enter, and I'm going to paste it in right below here. Now, if I just click away, it's going to format itself. Now, this is going to be very important. We only find one title along with its section per keyword because we don't want to compete with our articles for the same keyword. That is a total waste of your time and trying to rank. Instead, what you want to do when you create the next piece of content, you want to do your keyword research once again, find another keyword, put it in here, and then prompt the next title and then create content on those sections. So you keep using a new keyword for each new content in order to have more ranking opportunities for different keywords, which means more opportunity for more traffic, which means better business. This is a key principle to understand to succeed with the strategy. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is just scroll back in the guidebook, move to the second prompt here. I'm going to copy it. Head back to ChatGPT, I'm going to paste it in. Act as a blogger, write engaging post paragraph on the section, and now I'm just going to scroll up. I can do it either here or in the guidebook, it doesn't matter. Now remember, this is the one we chose, exploring the science behind blue light glasses and gaming. So this is the section, the first section, how blue light affects gamers. I'm going to copy it, exchange the section. And then at the bottom here, it says optimize towards the keyword, and now I'm gonna grab it again. Click in here, copy the keyword, head back, select the keyword part, remove it, paste it in. Now it also says don't overdo it as this is just one section out of 4. And then I'm just gonna hit enter. And once I've gotten the section written for me, you know the drill. Make sure to read it through. If there's something you are unsure about, fact check it because ChatGPT lies. It will give you misinformation at times. You need to make sure that you are producing value. So at this point, I'm gonna assume you've read it all through and you're ready to get started. So you know the drill. Let's head to our website. We're going to go to posts, add new. We're gonna start off with the title. And the title is right here, exploring the science behind blue light glasses and gaming. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it, paste it in. Then I'm going to add in the written sections, head back to ChatGPT, copy all of this text. And I'm not going to include the subheader in the beginning, simply because starting off an article, the first thing we're gonna have is we're gonna have the header, and then we're gonna have an image, and we don't need a subheader the first thing. Those are gonna be important later on, but not for the first piece of text. So I'm just gonna paste it in. And there we have it. Now I'm gonna head back. I'm going to move up. I'm going to copy all of this text. I'm going to paste it in, scroll up. I'm gonna take the second section, copy it. I'm going to remove this section, paste it in, hit enter, and I'm gonna do this for all of the sections and paste it in there, and I'll meet you when I'm done, and you make sure that you do all of the sections as well. And then that's it. Now remember, once you pasted it all in, we want to go up here, which is document overview, click on outline, and make sure we have at least 1,500 words. Now we got 1,813 words here. That's going to be absolutely perfect. So remember, the new way that we are going to be creating all content starting from now on is going to be to first do our keyword research, find a keyword, paste it in here in your guidebook, And then we're going to be using these prompts in the section called Create SEO Friendly Content. Use these prompts that are designed to create content around the keyword, first to get headlines, then save one headline per keyword, and then use the second prompt in order to generate content on all of the sections included in that headline. And then it's going to be up to you to continue keyword researching, continue prompting, writing it down here, and expanding your blog, because that is where your traffic is going to come from. That is one of the foundational principles to success. Now, while the text itself might be SEO optimized, the article itself really isn't. It's missing proper subheaders, it's missing paragraphing, and also we're going to use a tool that is going to scan through the entire article and make sure that it really is SEO friendly, and then give us suggestions. So that is in the next lecture. See you there.